All right, here we go, everybody. 11:14 on a Thursday morning, late Thursday morning now, and most of us are completely dry, but there are a couple thunderstorms I'm keeping my eye on off to the north, and we'll see that on the radar momentarily. We'll start off in Holland, though, where if you look closely, you can see some white caps there, and we are talking about waves on the order of 3 to 4 to 5 feet. Have seen that already this morning. That will continue into the early to mid-afternoon. The waves will start to come down a bit for this evening, but the idea is for people to stay out of the waters today because there's likely going to be some rip currents and some improvement for tomorrow. But it looks like there's going to be a lot of wave action for Saturday and Sunday as we bring down some cooler and drier air on northwest winds that will be quite brisk over the weekend. This is the shot in Muskegon. And I can't really tell a whole lot going on there. It's just off to the north where there are some thunder showers that have been pushing on into sections to the north of Oceana County. This is the forecast, though, for Lake Michigan for the remainder of today. Small craft advisory. Waves at 3 to 5 feet this morning and early afternoon. Then they shift to more to 2 to 4 and then 1 to 2 for this evening. Water temperatures in the lower 70s here, folks. And we do have that high beach hazard risk, high swim risk for today. So I would recommend just staying out of the waters here on this Thursday. A lot of warm air and humid air over the central and eastern United States. Already 86 at Detroit Metro Airport, 85 in Chicago, and readings that are in the 80s down to the south as well. Tampa, Florida, how about at 87 degrees? GR, 84 now. Kalamazoo at 87 degrees, and along the lakeshore, you folks ranging from about 80 to 83 or so. And it has been breezy. Boy, it has been breezy in Grand Rapids as well, just going outdoors, gusting to about 25 to 28 miles per hour. You can see those winds out of the west primarily, and that will continue, I think, for several more hours. But by the time we get to 5, 6, 7 o'clock, those breezes will begin to lighten up just a bit, and then even more so overnight tonight. Dew points right around 70 degrees, so it is quite juicy out there. And the day planner as we go forward, expecting to maintain, I do believe, dry conditions in Grand Rapids. I can't completely rule out a shower at some point through the mid-afternoon period, but I think the bulk of what is going to be happening in Michigan today is going to be just off to our north. We'll top out at 89 degrees and then start to slip a bit for this evening and overnight. Widespread rain showers will be developing on Friday, even some overnight tonight. You'll see that on the model coming up. And then once this cold front goes through, later tomorrow night, early Saturday morning, a cooler and drier type of a regime sets up for a several-day stretch into early next week. There is an area of low pressure that is moving just to the north of Lake Huron there, and a cold front that is trailing that. It's very slow moving. It's just kind of camp out there for the next 24 to 36 hours, sweep on through later tomorrow night. But a little batch of thunderstorms has developed along that cold front over the past hour and a half, and you can see the trajectory of these. Marginal severe. Do have a severe thunderstorm warning for Mason County, and that is until 11:45. These are moving around 45 miles per hour or so, easing to the east-southeast. So perhaps northern Newaygo County, northern Mecosta County can see some gusty winds and heavy rain over the next hour. I'll track that closely. We've got the remnants of, well, this is still Hurricane Laura, but it is almost Tropical Storm Laura. Sustained winds now at 75 miles per hour. Look at the track of this thing moving and then curling over towards the east coast by Saturday and into Sunday. So weakening dramatically. It'll be a tropical depression, I think, by the time we wake up tomorrow morning. Future track model does have that little batch of thunderstorms fading away, though, into the mid-afternoon period. So most of us are going to be rain-free, Mike, with just a mixture of sun and clouds, and temperatures will be hot and humid overnight tonight. Some scattered or spotty showers and thunder showers can develop. Heavy downpours included. Our best chance to see some gusty winds or any strong or severe weather will actually be tomorrow afternoon and evening as this cold front comes through. There'll probably be a lull in the activity tomorrow afternoon, but by late day into the nighttime, that's what we got to look out for. Gustier thunderstorms, and then it goes drier over the weekend. Temperatures fall back, mid-70s. Everybody liking that. Humidity goes away Saturday and Sunday.
All right, Anthony, thanks. Another night of